Introduction. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of clove spices, a tiny yet powerful ingredient that has been cherished for centuries. Cloves, with their warm, aromatic flavor, have a rich history that dates back to ancient civilizations. Used in traditional medicine, culinary delights, and even as a form of currency, these little buds have played a significant role in trade and culture across the globe. But clove spices are not just for holiday baking or spicing up your favorite dishes. In this video, we'll uncover some of the secret uses of cloves that you may have never heard of before. From natural remedies to household hacks, cloves offer a treasure trove of benefits that go beyond their delicious taste. Are you curious about how this humble spice can enhance your health, freshen your home, or even boost your beauty routine? You're in the right place. We'll explore unique and lesser-known applications of clove spices that can transform your everyday life. So, whether you're a culinary enthusiast, a health-conscious individual, or just someone looking to spice things up, stick around. By the end of this video, you'll not only appreciate cloves for their flavor but also for their incredible versatility. Let's embark on this aromatic journey together and discover the secret uses of clove spices that will leave you amazed. Natural pain relief. Clove spices have long been celebrated for their remarkable analgesic properties, primarily due to a compound called eugenol. This natural substance is known for its ability to numb pain and reduce inflammation, making cloves a powerful ally in pain management. When applied topically or used in essential oil form, eugenol can provide relief for various discomforts, making it a go-to remedy in many households. One of the most common uses of clove oil is for alleviating toothaches. The numbing effect of eugenol can help soothe the pain associated with dental issues, providing temporary relief until you can see a dentist. Additionally, clove oil can be beneficial for headaches, muscle aches, and even joint pain, thanks to its anti-inflammatory properties. If you're considering using clove oil for pain relief, it's essential to do so safely. Always dilute clove oil with a carrier oil, such as coconut or olive oil, before applying it to the skin to prevent irritation. For toothaches, you can soak a cotton ball in diluted clove oil and gently apply it to the affected area for targeted relief. Remember to use it sparingly, as too much can lead to discomfort. Incorporating clove oil into your pain management routine can be a natural and effective way to find relief. With its rich history and proven benefits, clove spices are a valuable addition to your wellness toolkit. Air freshener and insect repellent. Clove spices are not only a culinary delight but also a fantastic natural solution for freshening up your home and keeping pesky insects at bay. The aromatic qualities of clove are truly captivating. Its warm, spicy scent can instantly uplift any space, making it an excellent choice for an air freshener. Unlike synthetic fragrances that can contain harmful chemicals, cloves offer a pleasant and safe alternative that can enhance your indoor environment. In addition to their delightful aroma, clove oil is known for its insect-repelling properties. It can effectively deter common household pests like mosquitoes, ants, and even flies. The strong scent of clove oil disrupts the sensory receptors of these insects, making your home less inviting for them. This dual functionality makes cloves a must-have in your natural cleaning and pest control arsenal. If you're interested in harnessing the power of clove for both air freshening and insect repelling, here are a couple of DIY recipes to try. For a simple clove-infused spray, mix a few drops of clove essential oil with water in a spray bottle. Shake well and spritz around your home to enjoy the refreshing scent while keeping insects away. Alternatively, you can create a potpourri by combining dried cloves with other aromatic spices like cinnamon and star anise. Place it in a decorative bowl to not only freshen the air but also add a charming touch to your decor. Embrace the natural benefits of clove spices and transform your living space today. Digestive aid. Clove spices have long been recognized for their beneficial effects on digestive health. These aromatic buds contain compounds that can help alleviate common digestive issues such as bloating and gas. The eugenol found in cloves has carminative properties, which means it can help reduce gas buildup in the gastrointestinal tract, providing relief from discomfort. Additionally, cloves can stimulate the production of digestive enzymes, promoting better digestion and nutrient absorption. Traditionally, cloves have been used in herbal teas to support digestive health. A warm cup of clove tea can be soothing and effective in easing stomach discomfort. Simply steep a few whole cloves in hot water for about 10 minutes, and enjoy this aromatic brew after meals to help settle your stomach and reduce bloating. Incorporating cloves into your meals is another great way to harness their digestive benefits. You can add ground cloves to savory dishes like stews, curries, or roasted vegetables for a warm, spicy flavor. They also work well in sweet recipes, such as baked goods or smoothies, where their unique taste can enhance the overall flavor profile. For a simple digestive boost, try sprinkling a pinch of ground cloves on your morning oatmeal or yogurt. Not only will you enjoy the health benefits, but you'll also add a delightful twist to your meals. By making cloves a regular part of your diet, you can support your digestive health naturally and deliciously. Conclusion. As we wrap up our exploration of the secret uses of clove spices, it's clear that these tiny buds pack a powerful punch in terms of versatility and benefits. From serving as a natural pain reliever due to their analgesic properties to acting as an effective air freshener and insect repellent, cloves offer a multitude of applications that can enhance our everyday lives. Their digestive health benefits further highlight their importance as a natural remedy that can easily be incorporated into our diets. We encourage you to experiment with clove spices in your own home. Whether you're brewing a soothing cup of clove tea, creating a fragrant potpourri, or adding a dash of ground cloves to your favorite recipes, there are countless ways to enjoy the unique flavor and health benefits of this remarkable spice. If you found this video informative and inspiring, we invite you to subscribe to our channel for more content on natural remedies and wellness tips. Don't forget to like and share this video with friends and family who might also benefit from discovering the hidden potential of clove spices. Together, we can embrace the power of nature and enhance our well-being with simple, effective solutions. Thank you for joining us on this aromatic journey, and we look forward to sharing more exciting insights with you in our upcoming videos.